Okay, in this video I want to talk about specialized cells. Now, in multicellular organisms, remember multi means many, cellular cell, organisms, living things, okay? So many living things with many cells, okay? In multicellular organisms like humans, okay, fish, dogs, etc., they're made up of millions and millions of cells, right? It's a definition of multicellular organisms. Sorry, cells, not years. Okay. Now, all the cells work together, right? So all cells work together, okay? But they don't all do the same thing. Don't all do the same thing. Think of a massive company, yeah? There's different teams, they all work together overall, but they all do different things, okay? So think of a company, okay? These cells are called specialized cells. They have their own thing, their specialized task, okay? Also think of a hospital, actually. So example, hospital. Okay, it's got different departments, okay? It's got the oncology department. It's got the gynecology department. It's got the cardiology department, etc. Okay? The different departments, okay, they're all doctors. They all can work in an emergency room together, okay? But they do different things. So an oncologist studies cancer. Gynecologist studies the women's parts, body parts, and cardiologists study the heart. Okay, they all do different things, but they all work together overall. Okay, so specialized cells have a special job to do in the body. Okay, and so they're more suitable to do that job. Now, the human body actually has over 200 different types of cells, right? And here they are. For example, we've got the muscle cells. Muscle cells, right? They surround the bones of the skeleton, right? They surround our skeleton, obviously. Okay, we use them to move around. Okay? Now, all muscles contain a large number of mitochondria because muscles need energy, okay? So muscles contain mitochondria. Remember the powerhouse of the cell that does all the energy conversion. Contains mitochondria because they require energy. Okay, we need energy to move around, right? So, for example, we use it for weightlifting. Okay, if you're at the gym, you need energy. Okay, so you feed the mitochondria with energy from, say, glucose from your protein shake, then you can do some lifting. Okay, cardiac muscle as well. So cardiac muscle, anything to do with the heart, right? So cardiac muscle also has large amount of mitochondria in the cells too. Okay, why? Because the heart needs to beat, right? Continuously, it needs energy. So then muscle cells, let me now talk about nerve cells. Another important type of cell. Nerve cells, okay, they make up your brain. Okay, they're in your spine too, mainly in your brain. They carry information from brain to other parts of body. Okay, so from your brain to your legs, let's say, okay? Using muscles, let's say. Okay, nerve cells, they travel along thin fibers. So nerve cells travel along very long fibers called axons. Okay, think of it like a highway, right? And they're basically like two-way streets, right? It's a highway with two different lanes, right? Axons. Now, the longest axon of a human nerve cell goes from the base of the spine, so let's say that's your spine, from the base of your spine all the way to your toes, to your feet, right? That's the longest one in our body. So then nerve cells, let me now talk about another important type of cell called a blood cell. Okay, you've got usually two different types mainly. You have red blood cells. Okay, they look like buttons, right? They're red in color. What they do is they carry oxygen from the lungs, and they take it around your body, okay, to your cells. Cells need energy, right? They need oxygen. That's respiration. Okay, and they release energy. Cells release energy. Okay, they also carry some of the waste. The waste is carbon dioxide. That's waste. We don't need carbon dioxide. We breathe it out. That's in respiration, yeah? So take some of the waste, carbon dioxide from the cells back to your lungs, okay? Back to lungs, right? Your lungs taking good air and then take out bad air, right? So they're red blood cells. You also have white blood cells. They look like little balls, fluffy balls with things on the outside, sticks coming out. Okay, these are very important. They have a different job. Okay, they're part of the immune system, and they help fight infections. Okay, you need these if you have the flu or if you have an infection. Okay, so there are different types of blood cells. One last type of cell I want to talk about are fat cells. Okay, there are two different types of fat cells. Okay, number one, you've got brown fat cells. Okay, these are used to produce heat for the body. Okay, so the body uses these to produce heat. And you've got white fat cells. Okay, these are used to store energy. And the body uses these to store energy. So brown for heat, white for energy. Okay, and these white fat cells also form an insulating layer underneath your skin. Okay, so if you have skin here, layer of skin, they're right beneath here. Okay, that keeps your body at a constant temperature. Okay, so 37 degrees roughly Celsius. Okay, they form an insulating layer underneath your skin and they store energy. And they're the different types of cells.